Welcome back. Let us see how to use or put some comment in MS Word. And I have already prepared one document having some write-up and also some data on COVID-19. This data is based on several countries having their total count of cases, total death and total recovered in COVID-19, and also some write-up on COVID-19. Now, let's say I'm reviewing this particular document and I have some comment on this. So, how will I put that? So, let's say here 1 meter is written and I'm not sure whether it is 1 meter or 1.5 meter. Now, I have to put one comment to the person who has prepared this document. So, I will go to the insert section and here comment is there. So, I will click on comment. Now you can see this 1 meter is highlighted and here I can put like please cross check if it is 1 or 1.5 meter. So this is how I can put comment. Also you can see this is mainly based on one particular word. Now let's say I am not sure or not happy about a complete paragraph and I want to have a more descriptive write-up. So I will select that particular paragraph and put comment across it. So I will again go to insert and then go to comment and I can write here like kindly describe more. So this is how we can comment on particular paragraph, a particular word. Now let's see if there is a table and I'm not sure about any particular data and I want to cross check it. I want the person who prepared this document to cross check this. Let's say I'm not sure about this particular value. So I will go to insert and put a comment here and say please cross check this value. So this is how we can put comments on it. Now say the person who will be opening it, he can see these comments in the right hand side, and when he click on this, he will find actually where the comment is, like what it is referring to. Like if you click on this, he can see the 1 meter. If you click on this, he can see this whole paragraph, and if we click on this, he can see this particular data. Now let's say after cross-checking or after modifying, I want to put another comment or reply to the above comment. Then I will go to this section, this one. I will click on that and say I have cross-checked it and looks good. Also, we can give reply to a particular comment like this. So this is how we can put comments on MS Word, and I think it's very simple and easy way.